my time, I took my chances. When the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a woman and her will to survive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, of rising up to the challenge of a rival. And the last known survivor starts his prey in the night, and he's watching us all with the eye of the tiger. The tiger. So many times it happens too fast. You trade a human passion for your glory. Don't lose your grip on the wings of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger, the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of a rival. And the last known survivor starts his prey in the night, and he's watching us all with the eye of the tiger. Rising up back on the street. Took my time, took my chances. When the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a woman and her will to survive. It's the eye of the tiger,